This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook menudo. We will start by gathering all of our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of beef tripe, which should be very well cleaned and cut into 1-inch pieces. Also, have ready 2 large white onions, 6 cloves of garlic, and a half cup of dried guajillo chilies. A 15-ounce can of hominy, rinsed and drained, is crucial for an authentic flavor profile. Cleaning the tripe properly is the most important step for a great menudo. First, rinse the tripe several times under cold running water, scrubbing gently. Then, rub it with a generous amount of coarse salt and about 1/4 cup of white vinegar, letting it sit for 10 minutes before rinsing it clean. Boil the tripe for 20 minutes in fresh water, drain it, and rinse it one more time. This process guarantees a tender and flavorful result, free from any undesirable taste. Now, let's create that signature rich red chili broth. Start by rehydrating your dried chilies in very hot water for about 20 minutes until they are soft. Blend these softened chilies with 4 cloves of roasted garlic, half of 1 onion, and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a large pot to remove any solids, ensuring a velvety smooth and incredibly flavorful base for your menudo. It is time to bring everything together for the simmer. Place the prepared tripe into a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Pour in your smooth chili broth, then add enough beef or chicken stock to cover the tripe by about 1 inch. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for 3 to 4 hours, or until the tripe is perfectly fork tender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.